For checking of reinforcing steel bars, so ipakita ko lang itong concentric check. Ayan. So ito yung concentric reinforcing steel bars. Then ito naman yung eccentric, no? Reinforcing steel bars. So this is very similar to concentric. Now let's look at bars along X. Ayan, no? Yung mga bars na nakahiga or parallel to X direction. Sa concentric, ang L sub X mo is malapit sa gitna, which is L minus C1 all over 2. Samantalang dito sa eccentric, okay, kukunin mo yung malaking L sub X. This is way bigger dito sa concentric. Take note na dito sa eccentric, dalawa ang length mo. Etong maliit na length, yung maliit na length nung rebar, tsaka itong longer length no rebar. Actually, etong L sub X, ito yung length nung cantilever beam mo. Okay, so L sub X in this equation is equal to L all over 2 plus the absolute value of E sub X minus C1 all over 2. Okay? And then, yung M sub U dito sa concentric is the same equation dito sa eccentric, which is mu is equal to qu times b times lx squared all over 2. Ngayon, itong M sub u, you multiply lx times b, that's it, multiply it with q sub u, meron kang force. And then, i-multiply mo yung lever arm na lx all over 2, you have your moment. And then, meron ka rin r sub u, which is the same equation with your concentric. Tapos, meron ka rin ASX, the same equation with your concentric. Yung rho x, the same equation with concentric. And then, the rest follows the same with concentric. Likewise, ganon din sa bars along y naman. Yan. So, ang critical dito ngayon, yung L sub y, etong malaki na length. Compared dito sa concentric, yung Ly mo malapit lang sa column. Sa gitna, no? Samantalang dito sa eccentric, kukunin mo yung malaking length ng cantilever beam, which is Ly equal to b all over 2 plus absolute eccentricity y minus C2 all over 2. And then, yung Ly, i-multiply mo with L, so meron kang shear force, after multiplying it with Q sub U, no? Then, i-multiply it with the lever arm Ly all over 2, meron kang moment. And then, the rest is similar with concentric. So, meron kang R sub U, ayan. Meron kang ASY, which is ito. Meron kang rho Y, which is ito. Okay? And then, you compare it with your rho required, and then so forth and so on. Okay, so ang pinagkaiba lang ng eccentric sa concentric is yung kanilang Lx tsaka Ly. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys for listening.